Well, welcome back everyone to the Wandering Wiley YouTube channel. If anyone's been following my Instagram account or Facebook, you know I've been in near Bozeman, Montana for the last 5-6 weeks. Well, I finished up the stuff that I had to do there currently. He may call me back for later this fall or maybe next spring right away. We'll see. But in the meantime, I wasn't quite ready to head back to Minnesota. So last fall, or last winter actually, I met Josh from Essential Mountain Homesteading on his YouTube channel. And we kind of got along fairly well, so I come out here. I'm going to give him a hand for a few weeks before I get ready to go home. Make sure my house doesn't freeze up. But in the meantime, I've been so backlogged with videos that I still got stuff from the summer that we got to put out there. Maybe nobody's interested, maybe they are. Be patient. I'll get things out as soon as I can. It's a little tough when you rely on generator to operate your computer and whatnot. Right now I got it running to charge my house batteries. But I'm sitting here currently on Josh's 40 acres that he subdivided and selling lots. A nice quiet piece of property other than my generator running. You got the mountains behind. I don't know if you can see with the sun. It's currently getting the trenches dug for the underground electric. I guess it'll have high-speed cable. There'll be 4 lots running down this side, and then 4 lots running down that side, with the center kind of protected. But anyhow, on with the videos for that garage. And remember everybody, thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, in case anyone wonders how I do my videos and stuff, I've got an all-in-one Apple. Not the best scenario, especially when I got to run the generator that you hear in the background, but it works. So on with the video. Again, thanks for watching. Well, this is the new project. We'll be removing the roof, which consists of removing the shingles, the decking, and cutting the trusses down to the bottom cord where we're going to save due to a finished ceiling below. We're going to then run rows of 2x laying on the flat for a nailing surface for the new trusses to sit on. But, like always, there's more sawzall work to be done. We saved the 2x out of the original trusses and now using them as nailers for the new trusses to set on. Never seems to fail. The last minute rush as the crane's setting up to try to get your bracing in order, making sure everything is there that you need so that you can get rid of the crane as soon as possible when they're $150 to $200 an hour. It always amazes me on how good these crane operators get. It's like they read your mind most of the time, with very little hand signals needed. With the bottom cords at 24-inch center from the original trusses, and our nailers roughly 6-foot centers, it was kind of tricky to walk up there. Plus the bounce factor of only having one temporary wall down the center of the garage. Unfortunately, the ceiling below was inadvertently stepped through a couple of times by unnamed workers. And while the crane shuffles some trusses around, now's a good time to show a few scenes from the Bozeman, Montana area. This first waterfall is from Gallatin National Forest, and the second one is Gallatin-Custer National Forest, I believe. Of course, let's not forget about the fantastic sunsets. This is where I was parked at most nights. Okay, back to the original video. As the trusses are going down, let's talk a bit about them. The garage is 28 feet wide and 32 feet long. These trusses are 32 feet room and attic, with 4-foot energy heels and a 612 pitch. They're designed to cantilever over the sides of the garage by 2 feet. The tall energy heels allows for a 22-foot clear span room in the attic. It also gives you adequate headroom in the actual room. They also have a 4-foot overhang to match the house, and that'll carry through for the rakes also. Because of the 4-foot overhangs, we decided to build ladders on the ground and have the crane set them. With a 4-foot overhang, it's not fun building them in place. Not to mention, they also extend into the room by 4 feet also. That's them on the ground there. Now with the trusses up in place, we'll string line our tails to the correct length and then trim them down before setting our subfascia. Also notice the double trusses. They're called girders. They'll carry the additional weight because of dormers going on, thus being doubled up. I'm also trimming the bottoms of the trusses off to match the details on the house. With the subfascia on, we're ready for sheeting. As you see, we're using 5/8 plywood for the deck. The homeowner denailed the sheets from the removal of the original roof, so we utilize that along with some new. Next, we finished the rakes and sheeting as we dry it in. Rain was in the forecast and the finished ceiling would get wrecked. We also sheeted over the openings for the 4-foot dormers to try and protect the ceiling below. Well, from Sandpoint, Idaho, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Wandering Wiley. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Maybe share it, like it, comment, all of the above. Until next time, everyone, take care out there and be safe. Thanks for watching. Even cloudy, it's beautiful out here. I just can't believe the scenery. Well, the tire didn't make it, or the fender.